All right, we got this amazing 5-piece dental tools for travel. Let's just get into it. Obviously, these are going to be great for travel. So we got 3 pieces in here. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to twist this off like so. And as we twist this off, we will get our 3 pieces that are in here. We got the 3 types of hooks. And it, as you can see, this comes with this one on there. You can take that out. I'll set this right here for now. And just set this back here as well. Then we've got the hook over here, and I'll twist this one out as well. You got the hook on that side, and then we got the stain eraser on this side. Set this right here, and set these right here. Then we're going to twist this off again. Stain eraser again over here, and then we got the other hook over here. So we've got 2 of the stain erasers that are attached to these 2 hooks right here. And then we've got these hook slash, you got like this like toothpick vibe right here. And then you got 2 more hooks right here. So great for while you're traveling. Got to keep your dental hygiene in check. Very important. Your teeth are very important for your health. And just, you want to keep your mouth nice. So highly recommend.